So vocal production in post is different than a vocal producer. Doing vocal production, if I said, I'm offering a service, I'm doing vocal production, I don't mean I'm going to record you. I don't mean that I'm going to be there in the session with you. You have the session wherever you like to record. That could be at home. That could be at a pro studio. Wherever that is, you get all of those files. You put them in a folder. You put them in a zip folder. You send them off to a vocal producer who is going to do vocal post-production. So editing all of your vocals. You've got poofs and you've got clicks and mouth noises in the recordings. We're editing all that stuff out. We're adding fades throughout it. We're adding Melodyne. We're adding auto-tune. We're mixing all of these layers of vocals together in their own vocal mix. So, most recording sessions are not going to mix your vocals like that. They're not going to Melodyne all your vocals and manually go in and change the notes note by note and make it all perfect and pristine. That's something that would be done in a vocal production package. So this is specific. This isn't mixing your whole song. This is mixing just the vocals. So auto-tune, Melodyne, getting all the timing matched up, vocal line, all of that type of stuff, EQ, effects, whatever, purely on the vocals. This is not mixing the song, just the vocals.